Now on the Beretta here, I'm not 100% sure if I bought your 3D printed. I'm not sure if that's your brand or not. I bought a few for my firearms, but I'm not sure what you want to know on these because, oh, it says 92FS on the top. That might have been from you. And then, I mean, I'm not 100% sure what you want to know here. There's a little bit of play on the unit itself. And I really don't know, I mean, about getting it tighter. I mean, this is fine the way it is. I mean, this one has play in it just like the one you just made me. I mean, it catches, it's got a little play in it, but it's fine for pulling the slide apart and disassembling the firearm. I mean, it locks up every time. So, I mean, when I show you the carry model, I mean, it's the same thing. I think you did a great job on making it here. Let me switch it over. Let me grab the carry model here real quick. Oh. And then this is the one that you sent me. Boy, big difference between the thickness of the single stack and the double stack. I mean, it locks right in. It doesn't catch. Oh, it does. It is. No, it's not. That's me. I mean, this will work. This will work for what I need when I'm pulling these apart. Oh, no, it's not. Look at that. It just, it does need refixed. I'm not sure what you need to do. So if I pull up, down, up, it's not catching. So maybe this hole, I'm not sure what else you want. You just need to message me and tell me what I need to do. It's catching, but it's not catching enough that I'm able to just pull it off of there. So the mag release inside is so small. I don't know if you can see the mag release on that side there of what we've got. So to release, see it moving. So what you probably need to do is make this a little bit wider. I mean, it's almost, it feels spot on. I don't know, brother. It's good. It might work, but you definitely need to. It's not catching like it should. So this might need to be thicker here. I'm not sure. Shoot me an email on the video. or whatever you got to do. Oops. And just so you know, the Beretta Nano, I've got a Nano at the house. It takes the same magazines as the APX model. The Nano was early production before Beretta switched over to the APX line. Supposedly everything internally is pretty much the same besides maybe the barrel. I think they changed the barrel. The barrel's more rounded. But I know that the magazines, they take the same magazines, so yeah, we'll just go from there. Yeah, look at that. You're going to have to redesign this just a little bit. If you've made plenty of these, you're going to know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know nothing about 3D printing. I'm not sure what you got to do, but you're going to have to do something. So it's not a big deal. Because this one does not come out. So a little more work, you'll get it.